Hi everyone, my name is Sabs and I'm going to show you how our enrichment feature works on Airboxr. So we're going to do two things today. One, pull some data around people that meet a certain criteria, and next we're going to choose a few people from that list and find their email addresses. So this is how it works. I've already loaded the Airboxr sidebar here. You click on Enrich. First, we're going to find people. So you can see you can search people by organization, by title, and by countries. So let me choose something. Let's say Apple. Title, something to do with marketing, and countries. We type out and choose US. That's it. Let me find says Airboxr is generating the right sheets, and now it's found the people as well. It's found 87 people matching your criteria. And if we just draw this out, you can see we have the LinkedIn email, LinkedIn links, as well as the names and organization titles. Now let me just choose two of them at random, and I'm going to find their emails. So I can click here, click here. Now the results are being fetched. You'll see a new sheet has just been built. Let's see if we manage to find those results or not. There we are. So you can find the emails. In addition, we've also got things like the position, the industry, what locality in the US they are from, and obviously the site. Of course, we know what the Apple website looks like. That's it. So give it a shot yourself and let us know how it looks. Thank you.